How to debug corrupted Python virtual environments in Backend. Have you ever faced the frustration of a corrupted Python virtual environment while working on your Backend project? It can be a real headache, especially when using frameworks like Django or Flask. But don't worry, I'm here to guide you through the steps to fix those issues and get back on track. First, let's talk about what a Python virtual environment is. It's a tool that helps you manage dependencies and isolate your project from the system-wide installation. This is essential for maintaining a clean workspace. When a virtual environment gets corrupted, you might encounter problems like failing to activate or missing packages. The first step in debugging is to verify that you are using the correct Python interpreter. Sometimes, the virtual environment may point to a version of Python that no longer exists. To check this, activate your virtual environment manually in the terminal. On Unix-like systems, you can use the command source venv bin activate, and on Windows, use plus venv plus scripts plus activate. If activation fails, it could mean that critical files are missing or that there are broken symbolic links. Next, inspect the symbolic links inside the virtual environment's bin or scripts directory. If the system Python version has changed, these links can break. If you find broken links, you may need to recreate the virtual environment with the correct Python version to resolve the issue. Another important step is to check for missing or corrupted files. Look for the pyvenv, CFG file and the bin or scripts directory. If you notice that files are missing, sometimes it is easier to delete the corrupted environment and create a new one rather than trying to repair it. Now, let's validate the installed packages. Use piplist or pipfreeze inside the activated environment to see what packages are installed. If you find that some packages are missing or incompatible, you can reinstall them using your requirements text file or manually. If you are using an integrated development environment or a code editor, make sure it is set up to use the virtual environment's Python interpreter. Misconfiguration can lead to issues during debugging. Set the interpreter path explicitly in your IDE settings to ensure it points to the correct environment. If you have tried all these steps and the problems persist, the simplest solution may be to delete the corrupted virtual environment folder and create a new one. After recreating it, reinstall your dependencies and verify that everything works correctly. This approach can save you time and effort compared to complex manual fixes. Lastly, to prevent future corruption, consider using isolated Python installations that are separate from the system Python. Avoid modifying files inside the virtual environment manually, and use version control for your dependency files to maintain consistency across development and deployment. In backend development, keeping a reliable virtual environment is essential for managing APIs, databases, and server-side logic effectively. By following these steps, you can debug corrupted virtual environments and ensure a smoother development process.